Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can double touch on eFootball on your PC. So first one here, just need to check your formation or your tactics on your eFootball. So basically just need to go here on game plan and basically having two central forward in your formation are good for performing double touch and shoot. So strikers need to have that double touch skill. So for example, we have here Lionel Messi. So if you're going to check the details about this player, so basically here you will find skill. If you're going to scroll down, so right from here, you will find the characteristics and your player skills. So make sure that your striker has the double touch skill and also the long range skill, as you can see now on Messi, and also need a good finishing and kicking power. So as you can see here on this player, it has a good kicking power and finishing. Now let's take a look on the gameplay. So here just make a normal pass toward the finisher, and then when the ball reaches to the finisher, perform a double touch. So basically right there, just need to move him diagonally and take a shot with mid-high power. So double touch must be performed before the ball reaches the striker's feet. So when performing double touch, defenders and GKs can't really react quickly. So it has high chance to convert that pass into a goal. So that's all. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.